I did want to ask about how this is different from what was taking place under the Biden administration, which also did implement some more restrictive border policies. It restricted asylum. If you could say how this is different from what the Biden administration was doing.
Sure. Well, the Biden administration had to roll back Title 42. It was rolled back as applied to some children, and then there were some restrictions put into place on who could qualify for asylum, but at the same time, the Biden administration was doing things to allow for people to apply for asylum, like using the CBPOne app or applying for entry under the parole programs for Cubans, Haitians, Nicaraguans, and Venezuelans. All of those programs, which allowed for legal, orderly processing of asylum seekers, was also canceled out by the Trump administration, and this was just a complete ban on asylum applicants, and they're looking at canceling out asylum applications in the interior. And I think the good news, another good news item about this decision is that might slow down some of these aggressive tactics on the interior. You know, I've had a lot of clients, cases dismissed in court and picked up and detained, lots of families separated, and you know, up until this decision, the Trump administration is only putting, you know, their foot on the gas to try and get more asylum seekers who are in the interior, and by get, I mean detain and deport. So hopefully this decision will just slow all of that down, because it's been really, really horrific on the front lines, seeing what this is doing to people who are just applying for protection in the right way.